Another Igbo market wey dey call Mândilas wey dey for Lagos. They say that market, as we dey talk right now, e be like say dey burn yata. No be small thing o, and the cause of the fire we never know, but the place now na so e dey burn yata. As we dey talk that one, they say one Biafra Liberation Army commander don still come outside though. He come talk. He say that Nigeria have make a very big mistake. Wey be say wey dey go talk say Biafras dey be terror and come kidnap Nnamdi Kanu and the things wey dey do Biafra people, because wetin they wan do, if they do am, the whole world go shake. No be small thing o, my people. Let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebenekwezoku. See there, they bring updates back to back as e dey hot. Please share this video and make sure say they follow this page for more updates. Thank you so much for sharing, and make sure say you share the video. Very, very important. It says the Mândilas market wey dey for Lagos. They say as we dey talk right now, the market is currently on fire, and the cause of the fire we never still know. This one na the one wey dey happen currently for inside Lagos, and wetin bring this fire come, I never too dey clear to us, but they say the area where this thing happen where now where Igbo people dominate, now this one they happen. My people, wetin be this cause of this market on fire every time? We no know. My people, make una help us explain better, because we wan know wey be say na only Igbo people market for inside Lagos na the thing they happen to. So let us know for inside comment section what you think about the fire. Yeah, my wonderful people, I'm going to show you the video where this Biafra Liberation Army, they talk this thing, how Nigeria make a very big mistake by doing all those things, kidnapping Nnamdi Kanu and also tagging Biafra people as a terrorist, and also declaring shoot aside and other things what they do to Biafrans. Let me show you the video, and before we go come back, come proceed.
That a mistake Nigeria make and keep making and they will remain making that mistake until that mistake destroy them. Believe you me, they will keep making that mistake until the mistake destroy them. First, you tag innocent people terrorists. Second, you declare shoot aside. Third, you declare mass arrest. You destroy their home. You arrest their leader. And that led them to weapon. And now, who is sovereign? Who is begging for peace? But you fail to amend your way. You fail to correct your evil way. You are still evil. You don't want to correct your way. You don't want to adjust your way. You don't want to repent. And that's why you keep making mistake. And that's why I told you that you keep making that mistake until that mistake finally destroy you. Because you keep making mistake on top of mistake. Nigeria can never be repaired. Nigeria is gone and gone forever. Take it or leave it. And that is why I titled this very broadcast of today, the mistake Nigeria make and the reason why saboteur can never survive. Yes. Saboteur can never survive it. Because the same way their paymaster will disappear, the same way saboteur will disappear. They cannot survive it. I am coming to that saboteur. Nigeria have made a lot of mistakes. Should I talk about going to another country and kidnap somebody? Should I talk about denying him court case? Should I talk about keep adjoining, thinking that will solve the problem? Should I talk about blasphemy? So many mistakes Nigeria make that lead Nigeria to destruction. It is that their mistake is beyond repair and is beyond forgiveness. Nigerian mistakes are beyond repair. Nigerian mistakes are beyond forgiveness. The sin of Nigeria cannot be forgiven, even by God himself. Do you know the number of souls wasted for being in Nigeria? Do you know the number of souls wasted, killed for just being a Nigerian? Is not, as in, it is not their fault too. You people easily forget about answers. See, today, did I tell you the number of people that were killed in answers? Have you let me not mention anything pertaining to Nigeria. Let me come to IPOB members and even non-IPOB members. Ukbo Makasa, the killing in Ukbo. I will start by mentioning the governors that have killed innocent Biafra a lot. Wike kill enough. Wike declared the whole village amiable. Wike declared the whole village. Oh, Chineke God. Oh my God. These people, you people will never escape from this. What is coming? Your crime, you will pay your crime and your children will pay. Your children will pay until your whole generation will be no more. You will keep paying that crime you committed. The drunkard, the former drunkard, William Obiano, he killed so many. Killed. Delta State killed. Delta State governor. Ebonyi State governor. Oh my. Hey. Then killed. Enough. What was their crime? Just because they say they want to free, they need freedom. They don't want to be Nigeria again. That is their crime. It's not that they went to steal. They want just, I want to be free. And they're not using it, they're not doing it in a violent way. You wasted a lot of soul to please your master. Nigeria gave you go ahead. And I am asking you, did all those killing stop the agitation? Did all those killing stop the agitation? Hope Uzodinma came in. and he take the lead. He told them, I will do more than you did. All of you, if you were killing 20, if the total you killed in your state was 500, I will double it times 10. Hope create a revenue to be, investing young youth kidney and sell. Call it Tiger Base. Hope created Tiger Base in Owerri, in government house, where he have been investing the young youth kidney to sell. Hope kills so many. Hope lit the front of killing innocent youth. Hope, who saw the man? He lead the front. What do you expect? Somebody that was from fourth position to become a governor. He make a lot of promises which he has to fulfill. It's not a surprise anyway. You see, I've never been a surprise. The mistake Nigeria make, and I keep making it. Is there any governor that in the southeast that did not kill innocent youth, except Cross River and Akwa Ibom? And the funny thing is that those states that the governor did not want to kill their youth, the Air Force will go there and bomb their community the same way they are doing to Ogun now. Ma Oyo.
Yeah, my wonderful people, this is the video that I'm telling you, and this is what this Biafra Liberation Army have said in this video. Guys, please share this video and make sure say this video go viral. So leave your own opinion for inside the comment section. Let us know what you think. If it is the right thing, let us know. If you support what you talk for this video, I beg me, let us know for inside comment section, and make sure say you share the video. And what advice do you have to our people in Lagos, because this burning of market have become a culture in Lagos State. The places this thing happen are where the Igbo people mostly dominated, and the reason of this fire is what we don't know. Are you thinking that this is a strategy of them sending message to Ndi Igbo that we don't clearly want people in this state, or do you think that this is just an incident that happened? Let us know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching.